Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be hold on. That's better. Sorry about that. I wouldn't want you guys to see any of that stuff. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be doing another unboxing. We're gonna be doing Chewy bars again, and we're gonna be doing them old-fashioned. Got him. Finally got that box open. Here we go. Let's get right into the rest of this with some nutrition facts, as is the order of operations here. Calories per bar, 150. We've got total fat, 7 grams. Saturated fat, 4.5 grams. 0 grams trans fat. What a healthy snack. Let's get right into the taste test. Got my weapon of choice here. Ah! Yeah, that's right. Oh, right away. Looks really chocolatey. Don't mind it. I don't say I'm gonna have another bite. That's some good stuff. I might have some more of these later. I rate that 8 finger wiggles. I would buy that.